Hello and welcome to Foetron Cloud Academy. Let's move further in our quest for digital transformation using Kaizala. Let's discuss about the extensibility features today. So extensibility features allows you to integrate various third-party applications and also allows you to design various custom features in form of action cards that you can add to your groups and then monitor them. So this helps you give Kaizala a app-like functionality of your choice without going through too much effort of making one. So let's see how it can be done. If you have seen our previous videos, you have been aware, you must be aware about this screen. This is how the management portal looks like. So you must be wondering what's there in the extension tab right here. So it normally shows you two parts, action and connectors. So let's see what action has. See, as you can see, mini apps which they have given it a name. So action cards provide you with various functions which can mimic certain functionalities of an application, so you don't have to make one altogether, and you can just integrate it with your Kaizala. See, as you can see, all these action cards which you can see here with the customers icons and all, I have made them myself by using various JavaScripts and JSON files. So a whole procedure you can be there's a whole procedure to it which will be covered in the later videos. For now, you can see all the action cards, custom action cards which I have made, and they can directly be deployed in any of the groups which I want. And if I want to import my own action card from my PC or something, so then I can just click on import action, and whatever the action directory which I'm uploading, I can upload the file simply here, and the action card will be ready to use. So another thing which the extensibility feature of Microsoft Kaizala provides us with is connection to third-party applications. So I want to connect my Kaizala with my database so that it can flood in database with information freshly collected from one of the cards. I can do that. I can use my connectors to have connections established to that connection. So these are the various connectors which I've created. Unfortunately, I might not be able to show you the functioning of these connectors here in the demo. So I think this was all about the extensibility features of Microsoft Kaizala. For more features and more videos, please stick around to Foetron Cloud Academy. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and leave out your questions in the comment section below. Thank you.